Hello guys, and welcome to the first video where you will hear me talk. And the reason for that is because I finally bought my dream car, and that is a 1992 BMW E30 Touring. So this video won't be really long. I will just show you a car around and the engine and tell you a little bit about the history of the car. It was imported in 2009 to Slovenia. First owner didn't really change much on the car. He just left it basically in the garage for like 8 years. And then the owner before me, so the second owner here in Slovenia, I don't know how many owners it had in Switzerland, but the owner before me changed basically everything or just stiffen up everything. Only the paint job and the interior are original. And as you can see, originally the car is 316i, so that means 1.6 liter engine. Then the owner before me changed the engine to 1.8 IS, which is now producing like about 140 horsepower, which for this car is, I mean, quite a lot, because this car really weighs like nothing, especially when you look at it. And I mean, it's pretty big and long, but you wouldn't say it has like 1100 kilos. You would say, at least I would say, it has like 1400 or something like that. So this engine is like really good for this car, but I will change it. I mean, I'm planning to change it to 2.5 liter or the original 325i. And so because he changed the engine, he had to stiffen up the chassis, and he also changed the suspension, also made a custom exhaust. I mean, I will change the exhaust because the sound, it is good. You will hear it in a couple of minutes, but I would like to have a bit more meaner sound, as me and my friends had in our BMW E36, which has the same engine but a lot meaner sound. So I will change that as soon as possible. As soon as possible, I mean that I will change it next year, because I will just drive it till the winter, because I really don't want it to break it apart and start repairing the stuff. I mean, there is nothing really to repair, but just the little things like that rust here, and it has some of the rust like here in the trunk, as you can see. But I will fix that in the winter, and now I will just drive it like it is. I will also not change the wheels, but I will refresh them, because you can see it for yourself. They are old, but they are in pretty good shape. Not all, but it's not that rough. So as I said, the interior is also first. I mean, when I first saw the car, I didn't believe that was the first. I mean, I thought that was changed, and like this side and on the back, I can show you like there. There's just this and this, and then nothing else. This is still in pretty good place. It doesn't wobble around or anything like that. Also on this side, the seats are like new. I mean, the car is, they're just little bits, but I mean, you can expect that from the old car. And I don't know if you can see, but they're in the hood. I just need to get a better angle. There's like a little bump, and that is because I said he changed the engine, and as you can see, engine came a little bit higher, and it came a little, I mean, like few millimeters or maybe less higher, because he stiffened up the chassis, so the engine came a little bit higher and damaged the foam. But that is nothing big or anything I have like big concerns. And also, so you can see, It is in the original painting, BMW Lazur Blau Metallic, and this color is like really awesome. I don't know if you will see it, but when the car is like on the sun, it looks like it is like violet. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it looks like blue. But when you watch it with the naked eye, you would say it's like violet, but then you come closer and it's like blue. Really nice blue color. The only change I did on this car is front grille. It is full black now because I don't really like the chrome. Even on the older cars, I don't really like it. I just like it on the wheels. So I didn't change it, I just sprayed it because I have no intentions of selling this car, so I will make it as I please and I like. So that means I will also change the inner lights to yellow and like few little touches. You will basically see everything in the videos because I will record all the process I will be making with this car. So that was it for today's video. It was a really short video